our clients are definitely thinking about restructuring and reprioritising their strategy in relation to digital. This year I think we'll see the move from siloed digital teams to the advent of the Chief Digital Officer as an individual who's responsible for holistic use of digital across the business. First of all, I think there's a recognition that digital isn't the sole preserve of marketing, so there's a connection needed to be made with other areas of the business. One of the key connections is around the use of technology. So it's been said this year that the role of the CMO potentially has more sway for technology investment than the role of the CIO. I could see how that would be kind of a point of note when you think about the acquisition of content management systems, replatforming of digital, etc., that the CMO is intertwined in significant investments. So I think from a functional perspective, closer alignment to the technologists within the business is essential for digital. We've also been talking about the perfect team for digital, which is really you kind of scrap the marketing function, but just think about digital success in terms of content delivery, about media buying online, about having a very clear digital strategy, and about the deployment of appropriate technology. And those skill sets coming together as one for a successful kind of marketing department, basically. I think the advice we give to our clients around improving data strategy is first and foremost to think holistically about that. Think about the information you have at your fingertips, the information you own. So for example, transactional information on your customers, or CRM systems that tell you a little bit about the customers themselves. Think about the data you could acquire, so whether that be a list of prospect customers that you may want to target, or outlets that you may want to serve your products or services to. And think about the use of third-party and open data as well. So big data often talked about, but that is of definitely an increasing relevance to our customers. The second piece of advice I'd give is potentially start small. So don't try and boil the ocean, but start in a controlled fashion. We have clients who don't have reams of personal information on their customers or rafts of transactional information. But with a little bit of understanding of the context in which the customer, for example, is surfing their website, they can have great results in terms of providing personalised content and see marked uplifts in results. So there's undoubtedly great opportunities in marketing to combine shopper insights with content production, content management. But there's also some unintended consequences of that. For example, I was looking for some golf shoes at Christmas. I've now got those same golf shoes following me around on pretty much every browsing session I've had on the internet since. And it's clearly a factor of the fact that I was looking to buy those things, and marketers are prioritising those offers in relation to insight and content. But it's effectively doing away with choice that we may previously have enjoyed because things weren't quite as personalised. So I think what we'll see this year is clients deliberately inserting kind of surprise and delight elements of marketing in there, and or trialling new products, new services that are disconnected or don't come top of these kind of algorithms around offer management. Yeah, I think my biggest challenge for 2014 will be advising my clients and being one step ahead of my clients in a really disruptive environment around digital, with these trends that are maturing at different paces to each other. And I guess in connection to that will be for me to make sure that we are retaining and building the brightest talent around digital in response to that. So I think there'll be a real battle for talent this year.